Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Today Lakshmi Negi again with you with new chapter Heroes Formula chapter 12 class 9th. So in this chapter we will study about the area of the triangle. I will explain you the basic concept of this chapter. Till class 8th you have studied that if you have to find out the area of any triangle you require two things, one base and one height. If you have base and height, in that case you will find out the area with this formula. Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. But suppose if you have not given base, like in this figure you can see that in this figure we have given the length of three sides. You can see that we have given the length of three sides, and in that case it's really tough to find out the area. So for that we will explain you the Heron's formula, and you will put all the values in Heron's formula and you will find out the area of the triangle. So I will tell you what is the Heron's formula. Suppose there is a triangle as I have make in front of you, and the sides A, B and C given in some measurement like centimeter, meter, like that, and you have to find out the area of this triangle. So for that, first you have to find out the value of S. And what is S? S is semi-perimeter, and the value of semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2. It is also known as semi-perimeter and it is denoted by S. So if you know the value of S, that means you will add the value A, B, C, whatever the value given in the question, you will put the value in place of A, B, C, you will add and you will divide by 2. Then you will find out the value of S. Now the area of triangle is equal to under root S. Whatever the value you have find out here, S into S minus A, the first side, S minus B and S minus C inside the under root. So this is the final formula of the Heron's. I will show you. So you can see that this is the area of the triangle and this is the Heron's formula. S under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and the value of S, it is known as half of the perimeter or semi-perimeter, and the value of S is A plus B plus C upon 2. Now see the exercise 12.1. I am going to read the question number 1. You can see that in question number 1, a traffic signal board indicates the school ahead in equilateral triangle with side A. That's mean a board in which we have written the school ahead in the shape of triangle, school ahead. Okay. And it is in the shape of equilateral triangle. That's mean this side and this side all are equal, and these are given as A, small a and A. And find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Its perimeter is 180. First you have to given that the perimeter. You should know that the value of perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. Since we know that all the sides are equal, so it's A plus A plus A we have given. That's mean we have given 3A, and the value of 3A is given 180. And you will find out the value of A as 180 upon 3. That's mean the value is 60. That's mean now you understand the side is A is 60 centimeter. Now you have to find out the area. So you will again use the formula of Heron's and you will put the value. Now finding the area of the triangle, first you have to find out the semi-perimeter S. And the value of S is A plus B plus C upon 2. So in that case, as we have find out the value of A, since it is an equilateral triangle, therefore A, B and C, these all will be equal 60, 60 and 60. 60 plus 60 plus 60 upon 2, that's mean 180 upon 2, and it is coming 90. That's mean the value of S is 90. Now the area of the triangle is under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You will put all the values and you will put in the place of S as 90 degree and in place of A 60, 60, 60 in place of B and C. Now you will solve it. It is 90, and if you will subtract 60 from 90, you will get 30, you will get again 30 and you will get again 30. Suppose if you have to find out the value of this, so for that you can see that I have divided the 90 as 3 into 30. Now you have to find out the square root, so you will take it in the pair. 30 into 30, 130 will come out into 30 into 30, 130 again will come out under root 3. So the answer is 900 root 3 centimeter square, and the area will always come in centimeter squares, hence it is the answer. Now moving to the next question. You can see that a triangular side wall of the flyover have been used for advertisement. That's mean you can see that it is a triangular shape for which we are using for the advertisement, and the side of the wall is given. You can see that okay, this one only, this the one sided wall, this one we are using for the advertisement, this one. So you can see that the one side is 122, second side is 22, and third is 120, and you have to find out that how much money you will pay if you are putting that advertisement for 3 months. So for that, first you have to find out the area of the triangle, then we will do the further calculation. So you can see that first we will find out the value of, since the A is given this, B is given this, C is given this. So now you can see that first we will find out the value of semi-perimeter. So the value of semi-perimeter or the value of S you will find out, like S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So you will add these and you will divide by 2. You will get 132 meter. Now you have to find out the area of the triangle. So you will write the area of the triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A, S minus B. You have find out the value of S, 132. 132 minus A, 122, 132 minus B, 120, 132 minus C, that's mean 22. You will minus it. But one thing I want to explain you, that if you have to find out the value of this, so don't multiply all these numbers. You can just break it like that. 132 can be broken like 12 into 11 into 10 into 12 into, you can see that we can break the 110 as 11 into 10. Now you can take in pairs 10 10, 11 11 and 12 12. So you can write it like that, 12 into 11 into 10, and the answer is coming 1320 meter square, as you have find out. Now see that if you see the question, in this question you have given that the rent of 1 meter square of the wall for 1 year is 5,000 rupees. 1 meter square wall, that's mean for 1 meter square wall you have to pay 5,000 for 1 year. But we have to put this for only 3 months. So first you have to find out for 1 month. The cost, or you can say that the rent for 1 month is equal to 5,000 upon 12, and then the rent for this 1320 meter square for 3 months equal to, you will multiply by both the numbers and you will get the answer at 16,50,000 is the answer. This is the third question. I am going to read this question. There is a side park. One of its side wall has been painted in some color with the message keep the park green. You can see that we have written here. And also if the sides of the walls are 15, 11 and 6, we have to find out the area of this triangle. This area of this triangle we have to find out. So nothing special you have to do. You can see that it is in the shape of triangle. So again you will use the Heron's formula and you have given the value of A, B, C. Now you can see that the value of A, B, C is given. First you will find out the value of semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. The value of A is 15, 11 and 6, and you will add these 3 and divide it by 2. It will come 16. Now you have to find out the area of triangle. It is under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 16, S 16, 16, 16. In place of S you will put 16, and in place of A, B, C you will put 15, 11 and 6, and you will substitute it like that. And when you subtract it you will get this, and you will find out the under root of this, and it is coming 20 root 2, and 20 root 2 is the answer. Hence the area of the painted in color is 20 root 2 meter square. Now see the next question. In the next question I will show you find the area of the triangle whose two sides are given this and this, and the perimeter is given this. That's mean you have not given the third side. So first you have to find out the third side. For finding the third side, what you will do, it's A is 18, B is 10, and for finding C you will subtract the sum of these two sides from 42. 42 minus 18 plus 10. You will add these two and then you will subtract it from that, and you will get the value 14. Now you are having A 18, B 10 and C 14 centimeter, and you will find out the area of the triangle with the help of the Heron's formula. You can see here also we have done with the same method. First you have A given, B given and C we have not given. So you can see that first perimeter is this. The sum of all three sides is known as the perimeter. You will add these, and for finding the C, 42 minus 28, it is coming 14 centimeter. Now you have to find out the semi-perimeter. The sum of these three sides, you can see that it is given already 42 upon 2. It is coming 21. Now the area of triangle is equal to under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. In place of s, everywhere you will find out you will put the value 21 centimeter. 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14. Then you will subtract it. You will get 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. You have just break it in the prime numbers. You can see that. And now in pairs 3, 3 and 7, 7. 3, 7 under root 11. So 21 root 11 is the answer of this question. Thank you very much.